All right, guys, here we go. The legend at Holiday World. Front row. Here we go, guys. Whoa! Wow.
Right scan. All clear, but beware, the headless horseman may be near. The legend returns to the schoolhouse.
Hey, that's it. This one's a lot more rugged than the Voyage, though.
Yeah.
That I can say.
A lot rougher ride, isn't it?
So make sure you're holding on tight. And don't fight it either.
Yep.
If you fight it, it's going to hurt right there. Keep out of the weird. Oh, this baby's ready to go. It's actually kind of freaking me out a little bit. Rocking like that.
I know. It's kind of weird.
Is it the jerkiest one in here?
Yes. Yeah, probably, most likely.
That's great. That's amazing.
It's up there. Ain't the worst one in the world, though. Worst one I rode was, you ever heard of the Son of Beast in Kings Island?
No.
Oh.
Before they tore it down. Is that the one with the loop?
The one, it was the, it's pretty fast. Son of the Beast was, you know where Top Gun was?
Yeah.
It's that really big one that they built right next to it that someone ended up dying on.
Yep, yep.
That one, and that thing, the lady died because she hit her head so hard, got a concussion, ended up bleeding from the inside of her brain.
That's horrible, man.
I know, I rode that when I was like 5. And it goes up maybe like 3 times the size of this. It was big.
Yep.
I'll let you know what? I said, that's a long walk down, so let's just get this over with.
That's right.
And Mom's like, you want to go? You don't have to go. You don't have to go. I was like, screw it, we're already up here. Let's go.
Yep.
I'm not going to like this, but let's go. Oh, go!
Here we go! Woo!
Told you it wasn't that bad. My ribs hurt right now, though.
Yeah, you can't make you go that way.
Woo! That thing's relentless.
I'm about to
Wow.
take the boys if you want to go.
I was just over there, yeah.
Raven ain't too bad. There's not barely a line over there.
Yeah. Yeah, we were on that earlier as soon as we got here.
I'm trying to get as many in as I can before I leave.
Yep.
I think as many
So you had
times
free
as I can.
tickets today.
Exactly.
That's great, man. You're coming out ahead.
It was like, if we would have went, it would have been like $400 or $500 for everybody.
Yep.
He was like, we'll pay. I'm like, okay, we'll go. Called everyone up, coming home yesterday. I was like, hey, so we're going to Holiday World tomorrow. But we ain't got the money. We do now. He's buying.
It's a good day right there.
Thunderbird was having issues earlier. I don't know if I want to ride it. Not just having issues today.
Yeah, I got out there right after they started it up again. They were doing some tests and stuff, and we got on, rode front and back.
How long was the line over there?
Maybe 20 minutes, but I bet it's more now.
Probably. Everyone was leaving when I was getting over there. I got there right soon as they started it back up.
It's a nice smooth ride. Holy crap, man.
Or that like a week after it come out last year, the year before.
Yep.
Thunderbird is a smooth one to me. I like it.
Y'all, if you ever get the chance, go to Kings Island. They got some wicked coasters there.
Yes, they do.
Is that here?
Huh?
Is that here?
It's in Mason, Ohio, about 3 hours from here. Roughly 3-4 hours. They got the longest wooden roller coaster. It's like 5 minutes long.
Welcome to the Legend.
God, it's a long ride.
As your next in line to ride, please stand clear of the
All right. Hey, thanks for letting me ride with you.
remain
no
seated
problem.
throughout the entire ride. And be sure to fasten your seatbelt and pull down your latch bar. There are 2 seatbelts per seat, so each rider gets.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further and ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Ride on.